Okay, everyone. Okay, I had to adjust the sound a little bit. That's much better. Okay, first of all, I'd like to apologize profusely for the lack of response to email. It's not because I've been ignoring you or because our support staff has been ignoring you. It is completely and utterly my fault. I was involved in setting up some of the software solutions to handle the email, and unfortunately the software was not 100% correct. We have rectified that. I was on the phone with the team lead, Chris, today, and we have a specialist working on the issue today. His name is Nick. He's going to be working pretty much through the night tonight, tomorrow, and maybe on Saturday, depending on how things go. If there are going to be any kind of interruptions on the website, I'll let everybody know. But Chris told me that it should be smooth sailing, and he doesn't foresee any problems. He's actually dealt with these kinds of issues hundreds of times before, probably. Maybe not hundreds, but at least dozens, okay? Anyway, we will solve the problem. We will get an answer to all of the email which has been sent to the support staff. I will, of course, answer the trading questions as they start coming in from Donna and Melissa. So I appreciate your patience and your understanding with that. Now, on to the markets. I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. You've got to be careful, folks. I know there may have been a few of you that were looking to go long on the breakout up here, but this can be tough. You can see the market initially pushed up and then came right back down, possibly probably whipsawing you out had you been in. Or if you were gutsy enough to stay on, it eventually did get up here to profit. But look at this. The market's right back down to the breakout point. One thing I will say, though, is this is the beginning of what I was talking about. Now, remember, we've got to flow with the market, and we have to remember the criteria, or rather the patterns that we were looking for. Remember, if the market's going to break out, what we will probably see is a flag or a pennant pattern forming back down towards the breakout area. Okay, that's this little dipper or retesting that the professional money likes to do to prove that there are indeed no more sellers out here. Because remember, if the market pushes down and there are people that are looking to sell, they will then trigger and push the market lower. Okay, that's not what the professional money wants. If they are going to push the market higher off of a flag pattern or a breakout, they want to test, see if there are any sellers. If they're not, that's when they'll goose this thing and start buying. Remember, the professional money knows that the easiest way to get people to buy, even big, powerful bank traders, is to put the market up. So that's why the breakout pattern works. That's why other people jump on board. So we just have to wait for the overall formation. You can see the bottom part of the flag is getting put in. We definitely are going to want to see a couple of hits up here to really cement this thing in. Otherwise, the reliability of it can go down just because you might get another false breakout. Okay, so be ready for that. Nothing to do quite yet. Again, when you're looking for potential trades intraday, remember, yesterday I was talking about if you are going to look for counter trend trades, this is where you have to use the 3-bar reversal. The 3-bar reversal is what's going to keep you out of trouble in case the market does really start slowing down. Let me go ahead. Let me bring in the 15-minute bar here. Let's see. Right about in this area. Okay, so this is where the market, this is when the pound was up near the prior resistance area, and you can see that there was a small 3-bar reversal here, but the market immediately reversed. Let me go ahead and zoom in and show you what I'm talking about here. This area right in here is when the market was at resistance. And you can see that the market did manage to spike down with the 3-bar reversal entry, but then immediately came back against you. Okay, this is the kind of momentum that I like to look for. This is a really good indication that you've got to get out. I would say the second trip down, if the market tries to break down again, look at all these dojis in here on the 15-minute bar. No momentum to the downside at all. Definitely a sign that the prudent trader is going to want to get out at this point, or at the very least move the stop down. All told, you're only looking at probably 10 or 15 pips worth of risk